welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video I am doing an apartment tour. Finally, we've had this place fully decorated for a really long time, and I was going to do this before Christmas, but then we had Christmas decorations up. But now is the perfect time to show you guys our apartment and how we decorated it. I love it so much. It feels like home. It's so cozy and I'm just obsessed with it. But we are going to be moving out here in a couple months, so I thought I would film this now before we start like slowly packing things up. It feels like we just moved in here, but we've been here over a year now, which is crazy. Anyway, I'm going to try and have as much as I possibly can linked down below for you guys in case you're curious and want to shop some of the same things that I have. And before I get into this video, I do want to say a quick thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I've talked about them all the time. I'm literally obsessed with Ana Luisa's jewelry. They are my favorite. They have the cutest pieces, best quality, last for such a long time, and they are sustainably made, which I love. I'm just all around obsessed with them. And they are currently having a Valentine's Day sale right now, so I will have a link down in the description box that you guys can shop if you want to check out some of their pieces. But I wanted to show you a few of the pieces that I just recently picked up. The first one is this bracelet, which I have on. I'm obsessed with this. It is so cute. How adorable is this? It's like these little flowers on a gold chain. I love it. Like reminds me of spring, and hopefully spring and warmer weather is coming. This is by far my favorite piece. I'm obsessed with it. But then I also got a couple other pieces that I'm also in love with. If you guys have been around for a while, I have this little F necklace that I wear that Eddie got me for a wedding present, but I like to be able to layer other things with it. I do not ever take this off, but I found this really pretty snake chain necklace, and it looks so pretty layered with my little F necklace. Let me show you. I love having other pieces that I can layer with this, and I think this one just looks so cute layered. And the last piece that I picked up is this gold ring. I'm like a big everyday ring wearer. I have like my wedding ring that I wear every day, my ring for our little angel baby, but I also love to have fun rings like this just to throw on. So I bought it for my middle finger. I just thought it looked so cute, and I have a couple of other gold rings that I could layer with this from Ana Luisa. Super nice, high quality piece, but also very, very trendy and cute. Again, if you guys want to check out their pieces, make sure that you click the link down in my description box to shop. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get into our apartment tour. Okay, so here's our front door and our garage door. We don't really have anything over here. I have this little lantern that we got from Target. It was actually from our wedding, and we just repurposed it to put by the front door. And then we have our little mat, and then I have this hanging up here, which I love this. It's from Hobby Lobby. I would love to have like a rack with hooks and stuff, which we'll probably do when we build our house, but for right now this is perfect. It's just like a little mirror. I can hang my purse on it, and then Eddie hangs his keys on it. And it's nice just because we know where it's at, and it looks cute still hanging there. And then this is my office, which I am obsessed with. I love my office. It's so cute and cozy. This rug is from H&M, super, super cute. And then I have this like little cozy corner over here. Almost everything in this house is from Target. I have an obsession with Target. So if you're wondering where anything's from, check Target. That's probably where it's from. This is from Target. I bought that little cute plant. I love this table right here. Chairs from Target, blankets from Target, baskets from Target, but I love that chair. It's just super cute and cozy. And then I have some prints hanging on the wall, also from Target. And then this little like rainbow thing, I don't even know what you would call it, but that is also from Target. Okay, and then back here is my little desk area. I just have some pens sitting on my desk, and usually my camera is sitting up here. And then I have this little organizer that I put like my little notebook in, my stickers. I'll put my planner in here sometimes, or other documents that we're working on, just to kind of keep them organized. I have my little laptop, and then the desk is from Target, and this chair, I cannot remember where it's from, but super, super cute. And then I just have my cute little mirror over here. I love, the sun is like finally starting to come out for a little bit, and I love when it like comes into this room and leaves the like little design. It makes me so happy. I just love seeing the shadow. But this mirror, I believe is from Kirkland's. I got it a long time ago, but I really, really like the mirror. It's like a really good length. And then I have a cute little plant from Hobby Lobby, and this of course is from Target. We got it from our wedding registry. So that's pretty much everything that I have in the office. Nothing too crazy. It's kind of plain. And then we have the bathroom. There's not very much in here either. This is one of our showers. We don't use this shower except for, well, I guess I only use it for baths. So I have like a cute little bath tray here, and I usually leave this just a little bit open. and I love the way it looks. I also have like a little towel rack, some extra towels down here, and then over here I have this shelf, also from Target. All of this stuff is from Target actually. Just a cute little shelf hanging over our toilet, a little basket with some toilet paper, and then our sink. This is the bathroom that I usually use. I like get ready in this bathroom and stuff. So I have like all my hair stuff under there, just like extra toiletry stuff in here. I keep my makeup in this cute little makeup bag that I got from Target, and just have like a couple of random decorations just to make it look a little bit cute. That's our bathroom. Then we come over here to the kitchen. I hate how dark this kitchen gets. It's like my least favorite thing, how dark it is, like almost all the time. It's just so, like the light doesn't reach this part of our apartment. This is our like bar cart. This is also from Target. This is adorable. I love it. But we have our Keurig, our coffee stuff, and then our Nespresso machine. And then down here I just have like a bunch of random stuff from Target. So just kind of like some cute things to decorate with. Lots of stuff from Hearth and Hand. I have this cute rug. Hi Jasper. This rug, I will try and find a link down below. I cannot remember where we got it from, but I love it. I love the colors in it, and it just fits our space like perfectly. There's really nothing else exciting in the kitchen, just like lots of storage obviously. And I have my little candle burning. These are my wedding flowers. The vase is from Target. I love having these out. I love looking at them, and it just reminds me every day of our wedding. So I have those up there all the time. And then it kind of goes into our living room. So I have these bar stools from Target. I love these so much, but I can't take these to our new house, or I can take them with us, but they're gonna be too tall for our island at the new house. So we might put them in the basement and do like a bar situation in the basement, but I'm obsessed with these bar stools. And then over here, we just have a little ladder decoration, and I have a bunch of random stuff on here. This is from probably like Home Goods. Eddie broke it, so it's literally held together by tape. This is our knot that we knotted when we got married. This is from Target. I love this right here. This is a little shell. I don't know if I ever told you guys the story of this. We kept this shell from the wedding because when we were setting up for the wedding, some random little boy, we have no idea who he was, just picked this shell up and like ran it to the arch where we were going to get married at and just left it there for us. And then one of our friends went back and got the seashell, or told me about it, and I asked him to go get the seashell. I can't really remember, but it's like a really, really sweet story about some little boy that I just felt like he was wishing us good luck by giving us this little seashell. And it's like literally the perfect seashell. So for a little boy to give up a perfect seashell, I felt like it was kind of a big deal. So we keep it. I love it. Such a sweet reminder. One of our engagement pictures. This is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Another one of our wedding decorations. Our little robot supers down here. This lamp is from Target. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. And then here's just a little overview of our living room. We have this rug. It's a jute woven rug. I love it. It's like not the coziest, but it looks really cute. Our couch is from IKEA, and I have some pillows from Target and Hobby Lobby on them. Blanket is from Target. Blanket is from Target. And I just love having blankets over there because I love curling up the blanket because I feel like our house is always freezing. And then this table is also from IKEA. It's one of the lift top tables, which I'm obsessed with. I love being able to sit here and lift up the first half of it and do my work on this table. My planner always stays over here because I like to look at it every day. And then we just have like some random cute stuff over here. This is one of our side tables. We don't have a ton of stuff over here. Just one of our wedding pictures, a little plant, and just like a little decoration down there, not anything crazy. And then over here we just have our TV and TV stand and this mirror. This is again one of my favorite things that we bought for this house. I love this thing so much. It's a huge mirror from IKEA. I love this thing so much. And then I just have like a little jar with some pampas grass, a little woven basket with a blanket coming out of it. I love this corner. It's like one of my favorite corners in the house. And then we have our TV stand, which I believe is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think, I don't know. I think it's really, really cute though. Not the best quality, super, super cheap, but it looks really cute. This will probably go in our basement. Actually, most of the stuff will probably go in our basement when we move to our house because it's just not gonna be big enough for the room that we have to fill at our new house, but it'll be so cute and we'll have our basement done already, which is nice. But I just have some books from Joanna Gaines. This is also a wedding decoration that we repurposed. Some other random little decorations, and then this little stool. I think it's from Home Goods. I just think it looks cute and just kind of like goes with the whole vibe that we have going on here. Okay, I'm going into the bedroom. This is our bed. We just got this just a couple months ago. We had a queen bed, but we wanted to upgrade to a king size bed because we were always fighting over the bed. So best purchase that we've made as a couple in our relationship was a king bed instead of a queen bed, because we get along so much better now that we're not like fighting at nighttime because we just did not have enough space to sleep. But I have two cute little hats hanging over here. Our closet is in there, which I'm not going to show you because it's literally a mess. This is Eddie's nightstand. So he just has, this is from H&M. I love this thing. I think it's so cute. And then I put a little basket on his nightstand just to organize his miscellaneous pieces, like just loose things that he has. Drove me nuts, so I put it in a basket. These prints are from Target. I love them so much. I think they are so cute, and we will probably keep them at our new house just like they are right here. But this is our bed. I will link the bed down below. I cannot remember where we got it from. And then the mattress is from Amazon. We also just got that and I'm obsessed with it. It's so comfortable. And then we have like some cute little pillows that are from Urban Outfitters, and this little bear that one of my friends got us when we lost our first baby, and I literally sleep with it every night. And then here's my nightstand. I just have my water bottle, essential oil diffuser, and then I have just a couple of like cute books that I bought off of Etsy, and this is like my jewelry dish. So I always have hair ties in here, and then like some earrings, and my rings go on the center of it. These nightstands are off of Amazon though. Pretty cheap, but they've done the job, and that's all that matters. At the front of our room, we just have like our dresser and stuff. So one of the decorations that we used to get married that we just repurposed in the house. Cute little tree. I really like the way our dresser turned out. It's very simple, but I really like it. This is the best angle I can show you guys, but dressers from IKEA. The mirror is from Target. I love the circle mirrors. And then these decorations are from Target, lamp from Target. And then I just have a little candle that I'm honestly just trying to burn up. So I'm probably gonna light this in a minute. That is pretty much it for our bedroom. And then we go to the bathroom. There's also not very much in here. We just have like a little organizer for all of our like daily products, or I guess mostly my daily products. Like I have like all of my face stuff in here, deodorant, perfume, nighttime skincare stuff, just organizes it all really nicely. And then we also have another one with like cotton rounds and Q-tips. Our shower curtain is from Target. And I just have one of these little hanging things also from Target. So super simple. Our bathroom is not very big at all. Like I said, I will try to link everything down below so that you guys can check it out if you are interested, or you really like something or want to see where it's from. I will try and find as much as I possibly can. If I don't have something linked, just leave a comment and I can try and find it for you and send you the link. But almost everything in here is from like Target or Hobby Lobby or Home Goods. So those were like my go-to places when we were decorating this place. But that is pretty much all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe by clicking down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.